Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super gorgeous 3D quilling angel with different techniques. She's very pretty and so cute. I will show you how to create wings, hairs and everything. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. First I'm starting with making the face. So I'm taking here 5 strips of 3 mm peach color and making one tight coil. Just add little glue at the end. Now in the same way I have prepared one more tight coil using 5 strips of brown color 3 mm, and here I am taking my quilling mold and making dome shape for both the tight coils. Then I am adding glue inside the domes, spreading it using brush, and I will join these domes together to make the face. So face is ready, allow it to dry. Then here I have prepared 2 more tight coils for upper body. This tight coil is made using 7 strips of 3 mm peach color, and this tight coil is made using 7 strips of red color 5 mm. Now using peach tight coil, again I am making a dome shape using my quilling mold, and for the red one I am just opening it using my fingers because I need little deeper dome. Just flat the base using any bottle cap. And this is done. Now just add glue inside both the domes, spread it using brush and connect together. Like this. Then to create neck, here I am taking half strip of peach color 3 mm and randomly creating one ring using my fingers like this. Then I am just connecting the neck on top of the upper body, and then I will add the face with this. Then here I have prepared this semicircle using 250 GSM white cardstock. So you just need to take 9 cm radius on your rounder and make a semicircle. Now I am going to make one cone using this semicircle like this for the skirt of doll. Just add little glue and hold it for some time. I have just cut the upper part little bit so that we can stick the upper body with the skirt easily. Now add little glue and connect the doll with this. Hold it for some time. Then here I have this beautiful die cut out in semicircle which is having approx 6 cm height, and I am going to wrap this die cut out around the dress of the doll. If you don't have dies, you can also use stencils. So just directly use stencil and white texture paste on white semicircle which we have used to create the cone, or you can use 3D outliner cones to make the different patterns on dress. Here I have just added little glue and stuck my die cut out dress. Similarly, I am taking one more same die and dividing it in small parts. And between these two designs, I am going to add one more pattern in the bottom like this. So I'm just trimming it little bit more and then I will stick it. Similarly, complete this all around the skirt, and after adding the design, the dress is ready. It's looking super pretty. Now here I have this beautiful white pearls. So I'm taking two bunch of pearls and using B6000 glue I am going to stick these two rows on the bottom part of the skirt. Allow it to dry, then I will cut the excess pearls. So here after drying I have just cut the pearls and the beautiful dress is ready. It's looking super gorgeous. Then I am showing you how to create hands. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of red color 5mm and making one bended cone shape. Just tapping the top little bit and the hand is ready. Add little glue inside the cone and spread it using brush. Then here I have created this tight coil using one strip of 3mm peach color. Just create a drop shape, push it little bit using finger and add little glue and connect with the hands. So it will work like a palm and the hands are ready. Now I will show you how to get wings. So here I am taking 5 by 8 centimeter rough paper. I have just folded this in half and created the scallop pattern. The front part I am taking like this so that we can stick it with the back side of the angel, and here I have created 5 scallops design to adhere the scrolls. And then I am taking this vellum paper and just tracing my wing design on this using pencil, and now you just need to fussy cut this. Like this. Then on one side I have just added the scrolls to decorate the wings, and on right side I will show you how to do this. For this I am taking one strip of golden colored 3 mm, just divide in half, cut it, again divide in half and cut it. So you will get 4 1/4 strip of golden, fold in half and twist it using tweezers. Just like we create the scrolls. Now cut the excess strip in the bottom, level it and add glue to secure this. In the same way we need total 5 scrolls for one side wing. Now I'm going to stick these scrolls one by one inside each scallop design. So the cute wing is ready. Now I am taking one strip of maroon colored 3 mm and I will show you how to make the curly hairs. So just open the coil like this, hold the strip from one side and rotate your tool. So you will get the beautiful curly hair design. This is also known as twisted strip method. And now I'm dividing this in some parts to make the hairs. And I have already stuck some hairs here and there with the angel. And I'm showing you how to do this. So just add little glue. And you need to cover whole backside head using these curly strips. Right now it's looking very ugly, or you can say not looking very nice. But I will show you how to do it very nicely in some time. So wherever the space is remaining, you just need to stick these curly hairs from front to back. Allow it to dry completely. So it's dried, and now first I am going to stick the wing with the angel. So just add glue and stick it like this on back side. So just take out all the hairs above and stick the wing. Hold it tightly. So it's stuck, and then I have added little glue on all the sides and stuck all the hairs in the bottom like this, and now it's looking very proper and very nice, isn't it? I have added some small brown strip in the front face and one golden strip for the hairband. I have created ears and nose using 1/4 strip of peach color. I cut my 3 mm peach strip from the center to make thin strip. These are simple teardrop shapes. Now I am adding eyes, which I have created using 2 mm hole punch and black paper. Then I am adding lips, which I cut using red paper. This is simple small triangle shape, and then I am going to stick both the hands. Just hold it tight and allow it to dry. Then here I am taking this small piece of paper to make the magic stick for angel. You just need to make one pipe kind of thing. Do it very tightly. We need very thin pipe. So I'm just cutting the excess paper, add little glue and make a thin pipe. Then I'm wrapping one golden 3 mm strip around this. Then here I have these two star cutouts in golden paper, so I am adding in front and back. And the magic stick is ready. So here I have just stuck the magic stick with the hands of angel, added the stones for earrings and one small golden ball chain for necklace and one stone for the pendant. And here I have created this cute crown. I have just cut the border design using my border punch on golden paper and created one ring. So I'm just going to stick this crown with the angel's head. Like this. And the super cute and super pretty 3D quilling angel is ready. It's time to do the magic. So I'm sure you will try this very soon before the Christmas to decorate your homes. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.